Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be using the leftover fabric from our previous tutorial. In case you've not watched that tutorial where I got this piece from, I'm going to leave a link in the description box, so check it out. I got this from the previous tutorial and I decided that I can just use it for accessories to match with the corset top. So this is actually a foam purse, something a bit versatile because I want something I can wear any way I want it. So first thing, we're just going to mark out the size it's going to be like, and then you can use ruler for this, but I can't even find my ruler, so I'm using anything I can get my hands on. So just rule the size you want according to your kind of phone and your phone size. Of course, you leave a bit of allowance so that you have enough space for the phone to be in. So we're going to use this to cut the other part. So I wanted this to be the front, that's why I actually picked the whole measurement from the middle, because I want that line there, that hemming line, to be at the middle point. So this is going to be at the front, then what I'm cutting out now is going to be at the back. Next, I'm just going to reduce the front by a bit because of the way I want this, the outlook of this bag. So you see the reason why I'm doing it like this. So I'm just cutting a bit of fabric from the front so that it will give it the kind of structure I've envisioned. Next, I'm just going to cut out the turnover. So this is what's going to be at the closure. So I'm just going to measure a bit of inch from the actual bag itself, because I'm going to fold it in later on. So that's what I'm doing now. Of course, you aim the top of the front part like this, and then I got this from the back of the jean of that I used for the corset tutorial, which of course this is the scrap pieces from that tutorial. So I got this from it. It's actually like a brand label at the back. So I just decided to fit in here. You know, little details really make something either stand out or stand in. So I wanted this little detail just to make it look something that is store-bought and so on. So you can always accessorize your bag the way you want with different kind of, you know, materials or fabric. So you turn it inside out and then you sew. So this is it, me after sewing the two parts together and turning it over. So next we're going to stop stitch it round. This stop stitch is going to include the top part, just where my finger is following like this, and then you turn over the top and then stop stitch again. So this is the cover for the bag. I'm just going to stop stitch it round. Of course, you saw how I got this. So I'm just going to attach it to the top like this, and then I'm going to stop stitch it on double stitches. So just like this. So this way it keeps it in form. So this is the bag is ready or almost ready. So the next thing now is to fix in the strap hole or belt hole, because this is also a belt bag. Like, I wanted something a bit versatile, something I can wear in so many different ways. So if you really want to do this, I think this is the best way to go about it. So I'm just measuring the belt hole. So that's what I'm doing here, so that it's easy for me to put in the belt and bring it out. So you use the belt of your choice when you are doing this. So the next thing, I'm just going to, of course, stop twist it round like this and then sew, attach it to the back, just the way I'm doing it on the video. So I'm actually using the rest of the fabric to cut out a strap for this bag. So this is actually optional. It depends on if you want a strap for the bag or not, but I actually wanted a strap because I wanted to be as versatile as possible. So that's why I decided to use remaining fabric to cut out the strap. So the width of this strap is actually 1.5 inch, so I use this one to cut out the rest, and then I'm going to join them together to give me the length that I actually need for this tutorial. So this is it after joining the fabric together. Next, I'm going to show you how to fold the strap. So just fold it in like this, and the other side, and then again. So that's by folding it in 4. This will give it a thick strap, something that is sturdy and won't tear off easily. So this is the strap after sewing. So this, you can actually just fix it into the bag like this, and then tie the end and adjust it accordingly. You can make it a long strap, short strap, it all depends, and you can tie it any style you want. So we are getting to the end. Let's keep going. Next thing, I needed to accessorize this bag, so I decided to just cut out a love shape like this and then use it as an accessory to this bag. So this is it. Like I said, little details go a long way. So I'm just going to put in a bit of strap and then stop stitch like this round, and then I'm going to just give it a bit of leafy look of feel. Next, I'm going to fix the lock for this bag. So I'm using the phone to measure where the lock is going to be. I decided to put the lock on both ends, so I'm using this instrument, this tool, to fix in the lock. So if you want a detailed tutorial on how to use these pliers, you can leave me a comment down below so I can actually do a detailed video on how to use this instrument. So I decided to use this kind of button because of it has a bit of style to the bag. So you still put back your phone and then put in where the lock, other end of the lock, is going to be. So that's why I marked it like this, and then I'm going to fix the other press button. So you do it for both sides. This is it. Now I'm going to try it with the phone inside. So this is the lock. Yep, so the lock is in place, and next I'm going to fix in the accessories. So I'm just using my plier hole cutter to put the hole where I want it to be, and then fixing the accessories afterward. So next I'm just going to fix in the accessories. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm just going to remove one end of the strap and then put it back in. So this is the bag, ready to wear. It's so cute. And then there's various ways you can style this bag. Oh guys, do you remember this jean, the one I've upcycled some few posts back? So I'll leave the link in the description box in case you haven't seen the way I made this jean. Anyway, there are various ways you can style this bag. Various ways. If you want me to do a video and put on my short on different ways you can style this bag, leave me a comment down below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share to your friends, please share, and then subscribe if you are new here. Join the family. I have lots and lots coming up. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.